Ready to break free from Yahoo and make Google your homepage in Chrome? In this video, I'll walk you through every step of switching your startup page and your default search engine so you can enjoy faster searches and a clean, customized browsing experience every time you open Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make Google the front door to your online world. Let's dive right in. First, let's set up Google as your startup page, meaning whenever you open Chrome, it'll greet you with Google right away, instead of Yahoo or anything else. To start, go ahead and open your Google Chrome browser. You'll notice up in the top right corner, there's a little icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More or Menu button. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is your central hub for tweaking how Chrome behaves. Once you're in the Settings window, look to the menu along the left-hand side and click On Startup. This section controls what happens whenever you launch Chrome. Now, there are a few choices you can make here, but for our purpose, we want to select the option labeled Open a specific page or set of pages. Think of this as telling Chrome which web page it should show you when you start, kind of like setting your favorite radio station when you turn on your car. With that option selected, you'll see a button called Add a New Page. Give that a click, and a little box will pop up asking for the page you want to use. Go ahead and type in https://www.google.com. Make sure you spell it just right so Chrome knows exactly where to go. When you're ready, hit Add. From now on, every time you open Chrome, Google will be what you see first. Pretty simple, right? If you want to add multiple startup pages, you can use this same method, and Chrome will open each one in a new tab. Next up, let's change your default search engine as well. This is important because even if your homepage is Google, you want Chrome's address bar, that place at the top where you type in webby addresses and search terms, to use Google for its searches rather than Yahoo or something else. Back in Chrome, click those same 3 dots again and head into Settings once more. This time, from the left-hand menu, choose Search Engine. In this section, you'll see a drop-down menu called Search Engine used in the address bar. Just click on the drop-down and select Google from the list. This tells Chrome that whenever you type a question or phrase into the address bar, Google will be the brains behind the results, giving you the answers you want and skipping pesky Yahoo searches. Take a moment to test your changes by closing and reopening Chrome and typing a simple search into the address bar. If everything's working, you'll see Google loading up both as your homepage and for your searches. Don't worry if it takes a minute for the changes to kick in, or if you get stuck, you can always go back to Settings and check each step. And that's it. With just a few simple tweaks, you've successfully switched from Yahoo to Google in Chrome, making browsing, searching, and finding info much smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech tips. Thanks for watching.